ang prosecution team na dapat patayin ng argumento nila. Sabihin na rin siya man baka sila pa ang mag-aatras sa sarili nilang witnesses. Bakit kaya nila gustong bawasan ng numero? Mas maraming witnesses ay mas matibay ang kaso, di ba? So Prosecutor Joel Chua confirmed it himself. The House prosecution is actually weighing whether to reduce the number of witnesses they'll present sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Hindi ito rumor, official statement ito. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reducing witnesses doesn't automatically mean a weaker case. Sa isang matalinong legal strategy, you cut the weak links. You keep only your sharpest, most damaging testimonies. Quality over quantity. Gets mo? The prosecution isn't losing confidence. They're sharpening their aim. Mas kaunting witnesses, mas focused ang atake. Ang pinakamalaking tanong ngayon, kung sino ang mananatili sa listahan. Those are the witnesses the prosecution believes can actually end this. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ito mapupunta, we cover every twist ng trial araw-araw. Subscribe ka na. Kasi yung mag-aatras na, akala mo, baka sila pa ang pinakahandang team sa buong kwartong ito.